Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force a game, program, or any application to use your dedicated graphics card instead of the integrated one. If your laptop or PC has an NVIDIA or AMD sticker, chances are you have a dedicated GPU, and this method will help you unlock its full potential. Stick around till the end, because I'll also go over troubleshooting steps if you run into issues. First, press the Start button and type Graphics. Click on Graphics Settings, and you should see a window with an option to select either Microsoft Store app or Desktop app. Desktop app is for traditional programs, including most games. Microsoft Store app is for applications from the Microsoft Store. By default, programs are set to System Default, which often means they run on the integrated graphics, the one built into your CPU. Our goal is to make them use the high-performance GPU instead. Under Choose an App to set preference, select Desktop app. Click Browse and navigate to the folder where your game or program is installed. Select the .exe file. Click Add, then find it in the list, select it, and click Options. Choose High Performance, which will be your dedicated GPU, and hit Save. For Microsoft Store apps, select Universal App, pick the app from the list, and follow the same steps. If your program is still not running on the dedicated GPU or performance hasn't improved, try these fixes. Check Power Settings. Press Start and type Power and Sleep Settings. Click Additional Power Settings on the right. If your PC is set to Balanced or Power Saving, change it to High Performance or Maximum Performance for better results. Enable Ultimate Performance Mode Open PowerShell as an administrator. Press Win plus X, then select Windows PowerShell Admin. Copy and paste this command. Press Enter and close PowerShell. Go back to Power Options and select Ultimate Performance under Show Additional Plans. Now, every time you launch your game or program, it should use your dedicated graphics card, improving performance significantly. Just remember, if you're on a laptop and unplugged from the power source, your system may switch back to a power-saving mode, so always check your settings. That's it for today. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. See you in the next one.